Hello my dazzling beauties and welcome back to Pink Pretty and Sparkling. How are you guys doing today? So for today's video we're going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing. I haven't done this in a while, especially without a guest. I think I've only done it once in my lifetime. So as you can see, my makeup is halfway done. I just used some random colors. Let me see. Let me show you. For my eyes, I use this Morphe palette. As you can see as transition, I use this one right here. Then I use this one, and then I use this one, which is what I have on my other corner. But my middle part right here is bare with concealer on because we're going to be using the little something from here. But first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my box, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this right here. Okay, this right here is the Certifying Botanicals Shimmer and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. Okay, so I'm gonna be applying this first because I'm gonna get my lips ready for some lipstick or lip gloss. I'm not sure what I'm gonna wear yet. And so kind of already opened it to smell it when I was pretty excited about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit on my finger right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply on my lips. Okay, and now the next thing that I have in here will be these 3 brushes right here, and these are from Crown Brush. I have 3 brushes. I always welcome brushes, let me tell you. I love brushes. Okay, the next thing in here is what we're needing right now, which is this. We're going to be using this to complete our eye look. Oh, and let me tell you the prices. Okay, so the price, for this, for the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, is $28. Okay, so this is $28 worth right here. It's very glittery, as you can see, very glittery. Okay, this is what we're going to be using on our lid right here. Now the price for these 3 brushes, is $29.99. Okay, I know some people, you might not think so, but I mean, okay, $29.99. Go ahead and give them that. And then the price for this is $24. Okay, this is $24, and honestly it feels really nice on the lips. So I don't know if I would pay $24, but it does, you know, it does help. Okay, I feel them really moisturized right now. So it says that it's creaseless, so I assume that we don't need to use primer for this, so I'm gonna go ahead and go right in. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Dome Full Applicator. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and go right here. I put a little bit of concealer. That's why it looks like this, bare. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my pinky to kind of blend the lines a little bit. Blend the line, and then we'll apply some shadow on it here a little bit. Okay, with the 25A Morphe palette and the M423 brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of this brown right here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the harsh line right here, blend the line. Okay, the next thing on the box is this one. Where's my card? And this one has a price of $39.99. Okay, and this is a highlighting palette right here from Naked Cosmetics with the very nice holographic packaging right here. And I'm liking that purple color that we have right here. I think it goes very well with our shimmer veil, the one that we're using. So I'm gonna go ahead and take our crown brush, this one that we got, and I'm going to grab a little bit of this highlight, and I'm gonna use it to blend the line between our shimmer belt and the shadow. So something like this. And last but not least is this vintage smoky eye pencil in jet black. Okay, now with this look, I only gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of this on my top waterline. I want a tight line, I think that's what they call it. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight just a little bit. That way we are preparing our eyes for the falsies. Okay, did I tell you the price of this one? The price of this one is $21. So if you are new to the Boxycharm, if you haven't heard of Boxycharm before, I'm gonna tell you the Boxycharm is a monthly subscription. It costs $21 and you get more than $100 worth. Okay, so for example, today's box I paid $21 at the beginning of the month, and my total value is $142.98. That is my value for this box, which I think is pretty good. I mean, just by the cover effects alone, which this is $28, I think it's really worth it. You know, when you get brushes, it's, you know, you can never have too many brushes. I am really loving the sugar lip scrub. I mean, it's perfect, honestly. Okay, so now before I go off camera to apply my lashes, I'm gonna go ahead and do my highlight. I think this is a little too big, but I feel like it's fluffy enough. So let's go ahead and use just the tip of the brush to apply some highlight. See how it goes. So with this shimmery shadow, shimmery look, I don't know. I'm about to go to the movies, y'all. Come on. Okay, let's go ahead. The pink one, this one, it looks more normal to go out, you know, out in public. I mean, I don't mind. It's just that I don't know. When I go to the movies, I don't like to draw too much attention to myself. I have no idea why, but I mean, I still love to do makeup, and every now and then I'll be brave enough to wear something funky, even to work. But just for today, we're just gonna go ahead and stick to this pink one right here. Okay, especially since our blush is a little bit, it's peachy. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and pick this one right here. I wish they had names. Well, I kind of do and I kind of don't. Oh my god. I mean, I really hope the camera is picking that up, but I thought that it wasn't gonna be pigmented. Look at that. That looks so nice. Okay, my dazzling beauties, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and put in some lashes and finish with you guys this video. Okay, my dazzling beauties, I'm back, and for lashes I use the Ardell Studio Effects. These are the what's it called? The Wispies. The Wispie. Okay, so for lips, I don't want to do anything dramatic at all, because I mean, obviously our face is not up for that challenge, you know. So the other day I picked up some of the new Maybelline Keep It Full, and these are like plumping, this is a weird thingy. These are the, what's it called? It says Nourishing Lip Plumper. There you go. So kind of like a liquid lipstick slash gloss with plumping benefits. So I'm excited for this one. I have this one. This is in the shade Soft Rose, which is number 8, and I have another one, but I think that was in my purse because I really liked it. It's kind of like a like peachy one. It looks exactly like it is a gloss, because that one doesn't have any pigmentation. It's a gloss, but it has a lot of like sparkling, like gold glitter roses, and it's a peachy color, kind of like it reminds me a little bit of the Orgasm lip gloss from NARS, but it's lighter than this. It's lighter than this. It reminds me almost the same. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use a lip liner, just because I want to make sure that it's there. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild gel line in, what color is this? Bear to Comment. Okay, and I love these lip liners. These are one of my favorites. Bear to Comment. They are so creamy. I mean, just like gel. They're perfect. Okay, it's not perfectly applied, but I just wanted some pigment there. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with a Milani one. This looks a little too cold. Pero bueno. Vamos a ver. We'll see. Okay, so definitely it is beautiful with all this colorfulness that we have going on around. And this is the Achieve makeup look. I mean, with the products that we use from our Boxycharm. I mean, other than that, and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So like I said before, if you are not subscribed to Boxycharm, you should definitely do it. I mean, it's only $21. I know that there's some people out there that, you know, they tell me, oh well, I'm not good at makeup, you know, I don't want to waste my money, or I don't even know how to do my makeup, you know, things like that. You know, you can only spend $21 a month and start gaining your own makeup collection. Honestly, it wouldn't hurt to just go ahead and sign up for it. Well, my dazzling beauties, I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please don't forget to like this video if you did. Down below is the code so you can sign up for Boxycharm. You might be on the waiting list for a little while, maybe even a month, but I'm sure they'll go ahead and open up their list pretty soon. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.